Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Welcome back to the vlog.
It is currently 18 degrees outside in sunny Canada.
Okay, Mr. Newscaster. We just came back from the gym. We spent about 2 hours at the gym today. 15 minutes of that was on the massage chair. Very nice.
It's only 10 minutes.
10 minutes was very nice.
10 minutes was on the treadmill and everything else was muscles.
And now we are going to head out and grab some breakfast today.
Yeah.
We are going to check out Copper Branch for the first time. Finally, like we've been talking about going for like months.
Well, the only problem is it's about a half hour away from our home.
And the street parking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's a little inconvenient, really.
But we're really excited to try it because it's plant-based food.
Good news is Copper Branch is a hipster store, so I'm sure they won't mind us recording.
Nice hipster store.
If anything, we're gonna record just the food, not the people, just the food, of course.
Oh my goodness, so thoughtful.
That's me.
So we've had a pretty good morning, actually.
Yeah.
Surprisingly, we've gotten a lot done. We've had a lot of energy today, even though Adam got home really, really late.
I got home at 11 o'clock last night. I was up at 6 a.m. I had to reorganize my room because we're having a chemical spray done to the house. Yep, so I need to make sure that my room, everything in my room was 2 feet away from every wall. We didn't end up getting to the gym till about 7:45.
Yeah, but you know, it's okay.
Yeah, we were there until 9:45, like.
Yeah. I mean, I don't mind as long as we're getting a workout in, right?
No, exactly. I don't care what time we go. And it was actually pretty dead at around 8 o'clock, and then it started to get busy around 10.
Yeah, the last like week, it's been so empty at the gym.
Yeah.
It's so weird.
It is. But it's good, I like it.
Yeah, me too. I prefer it that way, honestly, because at least that way, we don't have to fight over machines with people.
I did see 2 people using the same machine, and they were actually rotating.
Oh, that's kind of cute.
That was actually really nice.
Yeah, so we are going to head off to Copper Branch now.
And we will see you there. And we are here at Copper Branch. I apologize if the lighting's a little strange, but this food looks delicious. And yeah, we'll see how it is. How's it going?
We finished our food and ended up driving over to Farm Boy because I needed to pick up some ingredients for a video I am filming tomorrow.
And I wanted snacks.
Yep, so we are trying out, Adam saw these granola clusters.
They're maple walnut vegan, I think. Yeah, they're vegan maple walnut granola clusters.
This is what they look like. If it'll focus. Yeah, this is what they look like.
They're really good. I like them. So what they have in them: oats, brown sugar, walnuts, golden raisins, maple syrup, olive oil, chia seeds, oat bran, artificial maple flavor, salt, cinnamon, and nutmeg. They're delicious.
These are good.
But milk drops. They're finest quality chocolate, Farm Boy brand.
Those are raisins, you're eating them.
They're raisins. I'm gonna give them to my mom. I mean, it looks like it's just like
Drops.
chocolate M&Ms. Yeah, it's just chocolate. Oh, it's pretty good though.
They're like M&Ms.
Yep.
Without the shell.
Yep. Literally just pure chocolate. Cool. One more. Okay. Come here. Come here. Okay, so we're gonna go home and we'll see you guys there.
And we're back.
That we are.
It's actually been a couple hours.
Yeah, it has. We ate food and then we slept.
Yeah, and by a couple hours, I mean, it's, what is it, like 4 o'clock?
Yeah.
Last time you guys saw us, it was around
11.
11, yeah. So we came home. We took a nap.
Priorities.
Yeah, priorities. We came home, we took a nap. We ate lunch, so we made some bomb chicken teriyaki or beef teriyaki. And then now we're just hanging out and waiting. I have a lash appointment around 6. It was supposed to be 7 o'clock, but she asked me to come in at 6, which is great for me because then it's a little bit earlier. Yeah, so we're just waiting for the time to pass. That's why I have my glasses on too. You guys never really see me in my glasses.
I'm playing
right,
pool. So.
Yeah,
no, it's true.
He's playing pool.
Hey, ball.
I'm getting a lash lift, a lash tint, and this month she has a promo, so I also get a free brow tint. So
yeah,
I'm really excited. This is my first time getting my lashes done. And then
excuse me.
And then tomorrow Adam gets his hair cut finally.
Yep.
You know, it's been a long time since we've hung out right here. We're on the dog bed. We used to, if you guys remember in our older vlogs when Echo was a puppy, we used to just sit on this dog bed and just like update you guys about our day. That was a long time ago. Just gonna kill time.
Yeah, and
see you guys in a bit.
Yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Want Daddy to play with you? Go.
Where's the... Okay. Alright. Hi guys.
Hi guys. So it is the next day. And it's like noon already. Adam just got a haircut.
Bam. Bam. Bam.
It's a pamper week.
Yep. Yep.
Morning.
Hey buddy. Hey buddy. Excuse you. Just because you want to lick my hand doesn't mean you can knock... Oh.
You boop it?
Oh, good stretch, buddy. Good stretch. Thank you. Oh. You really want to say hi to us?
Hi, baby.
Thank you. Okay. All right, buddy. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. Well, you're in a good mood today.
Yeah, he is.
You like the lens.
Oh. So today we are going to be making 2 tuna recipes, which are high in protein. And we're going to be using the Cloverleaf brand. And thank you, Cloverleaf, for sending me some in the mail, and Influencer for connecting us. So because we were given these, we just want to show you guys some quick, easy, high protein meals. Like it takes about 5 minutes. Yeah, so let's get into it.
All right.
Okay, so we are going to be making a sushi-ish tuna bowl using the spicy Thai chili tuna from Cloverleaf. So you start off with a bowl of rice. We added rice vinegar just to make it taste more like sushi, obviously, but you don't need to do that if you don't have rice vinegar, you don't like rice vinegar, up to you. And then you take, the nice thing about this is there's no can opener. We are just going to take half the container, flake it up. Oh, I love how there's actual chili in this, eh? Flaked tuna. So add your flaked tuna. And again, this is a spicy Thai chili tuna. We grabbed some edamame beans that we pre-made. Sprinkle that all over. High in protein and fiber, which is really good. Sliced avocado. Bubba, what's wrong? Add that in. Add your chunks of avocado. And then tablespoon of soy sauce. nice flavor. And pretty much done. You can garnish it with, we have some ginger. We have some sushi ginger, and we have some kimchi and cucumbers that we want to add in as well. So I'm just going to garnish this quickly. Looks so good. And bam, done. I want to eat this right now. And we're back, like, what? How many hours later? I mean, like 6 hours later?
3
hours later? I don't know my time. It seems like this video is turning into a food diary instead of a...
Well, that's kind of what we do.
Yeah, that's all
we go to the gym and then we eat food.
Yeah, but anyway, we got hungry. We were gonna make you guys a second recipe. We were gonna make pulled tuna, but instead, where are we going, Adma?
We are going to Kelsey's.
Mm-hmm.
I haven't been there in years.
I've never been.
Jen's never been, but I was there before they did their rebranding.
Mm-hmm.
Long before they did their rebranding. So when I went, it was pricey. Mm-hmm. And the food wasn't that good in comparison to like Applebee's or Jack Astor's. So we're gonna go there and we're gonna see how it is, and the menu looks delicious, so we should be...
Adam fell in love with the dessert menu.
They have a cheesecake.
That's all he wanted.
They have a cheesecake.
Mm-hmm. And they have mac and cheese, so yeah. That was what I was craving. That's what Adam was craving, so...
Well, I'm just craving something with a lot of cheese.
Yeah.
Whether it be cheesecake or a burger.
Yeah. So we are gonna go on a date. Originally we were gonna cook, but you know, sometimes you decide you need a date night, right?
Yep.
Mm-hmm. So we will see you guys later.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.
So we are at Kelsey's and we just got some drinks. I got a lemonade. Adam got a peach mango lemonade.
They wanted to add alcohol to it. I told them no. I mean, that's really good.
Yeah?
I mean, that's
nice.
Really
And we've noticed that like their branding is like road trip. Putting a fork in Canadian road trips since 1978. And like they even have like street names, and their decor is so cute.
I like it. I haven't been here in a while, but I like it.
Me too.
It's changed significantly.
How amazing does this look, guys?
They look delicious. Both of them look delicious. Like,
yeah, this is a plant-based burger. We got the sweet potato fries.
and this one is their. It's a buffalo chicken finger burger. So like it's literally chicken fingers on top of a burger with onion on top. And yeah, it smells amazing.
Ready to dig in?
Yep.
Come on, go. Go. Okay, come on. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Come on. Let's go. Just kidding. Let's go inside. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Echo. We gotta go inside. It's raining. Come on. Can I pick you up? No? Okay, come on, let's go inside. Go. Joe. Come on. Inside. Thank you.
Go get it.
So me and Adam are trying to tan, right? And Echo just wants to keep playing fetch. Like he'll chew on the stick for a little bit and he'll run over to Adam. We are just hanging out in Adam's backyard today, tanning.
Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time?